In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Word. Update MS Word 365. Keeping Word up to date is really important because updates often include new features, performance improvements, and, most importantly, security fixes. If you haven't updated in a while, this is a great time to do it. And the process is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. You can open any document you like, or even a blank document. The update options are the same either way. Once Word is open, look toward the top left corner of the window for the File tab. Go ahead and click on File to open the Backstage view. This is where Word keeps most of its settings and account details. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical list of options. Find the one labeled Account, or sometimes Office Account, depending on your version. Click that, and you'll be taken to a page that shows information about your Office subscription or product license. On this page, look for a section called Product Information. In that area, you should see a button or drop-down labeled Update Options. Click on Update Options, and a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Update Now. As soon as you click that, Word will start checking for any available updates for Microsoft 365. At this point, Word may minimize itself or show a progress window that says it's searching for updates and then downloading them. This can take a few minutes, depending on the size of the update and the speed of your internet connection. So don't worry if it doesn't finish immediately. It's a good idea to save any open documents before you start, just in case Word needs to close and reopen during the process. If updates are found, they will begin installing automatically. You might see a message letting you know that updates are being applied in the background, or you may be asked to close Word and other Office apps so the installation can complete. If you're prompted to close apps, make sure you've saved your work, then allow the installer to proceed. Once the update is complete, reopen Word and return to the account page. If everything went well, you should see a message indicating that you're up to date. That's all there is to it. By doing this regularly, you'll make sure you always have the latest, most secure version of Microsoft Word 365.